Oh, that guy just ran a red light. Now we get a cold start of this car. We have to move it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I woke up a little late, but yeah. So I'm going to a car meet, and I didn't wash the car just because there's puddles out in the streets, and the car gets dirty from the bottom anyway. So on the tires. So I didn't really bother washing the car. So if you guys see this video and you attend the meet, I'm sorry, you know, the car is gonna look the way it is, but you know, it's just the way things go. I mean, and then there's a lot of mosquitoes outside. It's just crazy. Those mosquitoes are like the size of horseflies, man. So yeah, we're going to the car meet, so stay tuned, guys. To the pre-meet area for sure, but I'm gonna wait for them on this following stop that they're gonna have, and I think they're gonna stop here for a little bit, and then from there they might take off to another city. I know this cruise is going to be a little farther and it's gonna stop at McAllen, but I might not be going that way that far, just because I have a lot of stuff to do today. If I don't do them soon, you know, I won't be able to do them. And like I said, I mean, I'm like super busy all the time. Like I rarely even have time to film. The only reason I film is because sometimes there's a little time in my day, so then that's the reason I film. And I just kind of take the opportunity when I do get a chance to, you know, get something for the channel done. And I will be waiting for the rest of the cars to show up. I'm not sure people are even going to show up, just because a lot of people, because you know, it's raining, it's been raining and all that, and yeah, so I'm not sure up there, so I'm assuming it's going to be for the meet. Yeah. Here we see, guys, we have 4 more Mustangs that came. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be going either way, because the thing is, I have a little over half a tank of E85. All right, guys, so I'm gonna head out really quick because I need to go get my fuel, and I need to go kind of rinse the car off, man. I mean, it looks pretty bad. So all right, guys, so we have the car meet. It's a big this time we have more cars here as well, so that's a pretty good turnout here. And then I think they came up with the app this time, so we can kind of keep in contact with everybody. And yeah, definitely a pretty good turnout. Get in the street. So that's the channel that we're on, guys. That's pretty cool. And then we have the people we're going. I'm not gonna go all the way, but we are definitely heading out here. In front of us, once the car passes on your lane, we'll let you all pass through. We have our hazards on. Go for it. So we got a cop there, guys. He's coming up. That was a pretty close call. Oh, that guy just ran a red light. Okay, so unfortunately that guy, I'm sorry, man, that sucks. I mean, he shouldn't have gone on the red light, that dude, but he like literally legit went on the red light. That's actually pretty interesting. But he did. So that's kind of weird. App that they downloaded, and they told us to download. You can kind of communicate with each other, and this cruise is being kept legal. We're not going to be speeding, we're not going to be racing. It's just basically a cruise, and it's pretty cool. I actually am enjoying this. In the back as well, doing some videos. We want to get as much footage as we can. Of course, I'll be doing some photography. I'll be taking some pictures of cars as well. If you guys need photo shoots, private shoots, let me know. But as of right now, all pictures are free. Absolutely for free. Did you say free pictures? Wow. Fantastic. There, guys, we have a transit Am, which is pretty cool
Slow
to
down a
see.
little bit. There's an F-150 in front of me. He's going a little slower, so just knock it down a mile an hour or two.
So there, guys, he's explaining that we have to use the mask because of the whole 6 feet apart, and if they see a gathering where there's people next to each other, they'll probably tell us to disband and leave the area.
7 to Westgate, and then you'll take a left on the expressway to go to Applebee's.
I think there's this lady right now that just cut somebody off and almost freaking cost
There's
the
plenty of
crash.
room to make.
Doing his thing.
I know, I was thinking this.
So he's probably taking pictures of the cars back there, maybe. That's what I think. Hey guys, and so here's the meet. It's a pretty good turnout, and they even got water for us. So they got water for us. It is pretty hot out here. I think it was probably like maybe 90 degrees or something like that. 90 some plus, 98, maybe 97. All right, guys. So I'm probably gonna get going. This is ZL1, guys. So ZL1, guys. I had to give him the thumbs up. That is one car that I would like to own someday, a ZL1, Camaro ZL1. If you guys didn't know, I am not like just one brand. I love all the cars.